Here in my garage, just kidding. So we're about to go drop the SV off. So it is getting a full exhaust system from ARMYTRIX. I had an ARMYTRIX on my Huracan and it was absolutely insane. I heard other ones, but ARMYTRIX is my favorite. I had it on my GTR, the Huracan, and now the SV, and whatever future cars, I'm gonna get ARMYTRIX because it always sounds the best. So hopefully it's the same with this car. I think it will be, so we will see. So it's getting straight pipes and the full exhaust system. It's gonna get a tune, so it should shift a little bit better because they're kind of, not brutal, but it's a little bit slower with the single clutch, so it should be more enjoyable. Right now it's 750 horsepower, so it should have about 825 after, about 25 from the exhaust, 50 from the tune, 750 normally. So I'm gonna go drop this off with Kyle. I'll show you guys me picking it up because this exhaust should be insane. I'll show you guys the first startup and revs with that. So let's just jump right into this video.
Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong.
Wow!
That was some ear damage! Holy crap! That is insane! What the heck?